Ooh, gang, it's time to go. See what we got in here. Just 3 sodas. I'll take one. Need to refill that. Looking good in the garage. What the hell kind of bug is that? As soon as I let up the screen in the garage, bugs just start flying in here. I always forget to plug the battery up, hoping that we start up with no issues. Always 0 sugar. Thankfully, we do not need gas just yet. I'm gonna try and ease my way out of the garage. Let's see. Okay, we're good, we're good. I'm trying to cut down on caffeine, energy drinks in general. We're just gonna stick with this. I need somebody to let me know at which age I will start caring about my yard. I genuinely do not care about it right now, and I don't know if that's like a I don't know if that's like a maturity thing. I have no idea. I see everybody else's grass. I see all the guys out on weekends. They're like, yo, we're gonna cut the grass, we're gonna water it, and you know, everything's gonna be all nice and green, and we're gonna cut the weeds out. And I just don't care. I don't know. There was one point in time where I wanted to make the yard look super, super nice. Like, I wanted the grass to be like super green, so I bought like this growth stuff. It's not like a fertilizer. I think it's just like growth. I don't know, but it makes the grass like super dark green. It was so nice. And I watered my grass every single day for like maybe 2 weeks, and the grass looked perfect. I still had some weeds here and there, but I was like, I don't really care. And then my water bill came, and that shit was like $200. I was like, yeah, you know what? Maybe that's not for me. Spending $200 on watering some grass? Absolutely not. That's insane. But anyway, we're just hanging out today. We're just chilling. Like, we're gonna have the most chill vibes today. I am exhausted AF right now. Guys, please, I'm going the speed limit in the slow lane. Just cut me some slack. Is that what I think it is? Yo, let's do this, bro. This one feels a little funky. This one feels a little funky, y'all. I ain't even gonna lie. It's all good. We'll figure it out.
Holy moly. Dude, I need to breathe. I'm trying to make sure I'm like on it. I think we're in first place though. Literally in first place. First place. Easy, light work. I can actually stretch my legs out. Alright, this is the last race. I'm tired, bro. I'm tired. Let's go, let's go. Oh, my shit's falling apart. Look at this. Oh, hell no. Oh, yeah. I like this part. Oh, fuck me, dude. My hands hurt. Oh, man.